Hey, we're gonna build something right here. I'm not totally sure what, so we better get started. All right, let's get to it. There you go, just like that. 8 months later, and we've got a nice bamboo wall up here. I got to do one more coat of this smelly varnish, and while I do that, watch a little recap of how we got to this point, and I'll see you in like 5 minutes. The first thing I did was have our railings and posts guy Isa build a frame. He installed a 1.5 meter high by 2 meter wide metal frame for 1,000 pesos. My neighbor Stuart gave me the number of his bamboo guy, and I paid another 5,400 pesos for 22 pieces of their thickest bamboo, which was around 3 inches in diameter at a length of 2.3 meters per piece. I think this is a little on the high side for bamboo, but it was a pretty small order, so I really didn't want to negotiate with them. Carrying that bamboo though is hazardous. It has like threads in it when it's that fresh, and it can get under the skin. It doesn't really feel great. I probably should have worn gloves, but that's some fresh cut bamboo right there. I bought 35 meters of rope for 150 pesos and roped, pun intended, Darren in to help affix it to the metal frame. Allie joined in too, and we really needed Darren's help because I don't trust my ability to tie something and have it stay tied. I can barely tie my shoes. We had that looks good. We're already blocking out that Tanaka there. We had some extra bamboo, which worked out great. I bought 20 pesos worth of shims from a local labor guy, cut it up, and placed it vertically underneath that metal frame. The bamboo really does help block those Tanakos from the neighbors, and I think it looks a lot nicer than a couple of water tanks. Then we waited a couple weeks for the bamboo to dry out and turn to the common brown color, but we actually just forgot about it for like 3 months. Just got busy those months of February and March with the high season. So, and if you don't take care of it, it turns gets a bunch of guck on it. So I had to clean it a few weeks ago. Fortunately, I got a great pressure washer, and that thing does take care of business. I scrubbed some of those areas that the pressure washer didn't get to, and then I pressure washed one more time because it's fun to pressure wash. Then we had to wait another week or so because we're in the summertime and it rains a lot. I mixed 1 part of this polyurethane varnish with 1 part polyurethane solvent, and combined, this should protect the bamboo. Before I painted it on, I did one more wipe down of the bamboo just to clean it as much as possible. I ended up putting 2 coats on in one day, just waiting about 45 minutes between each coat. Couple things. That polyurethane combination really smells terrible. It can kind of get to your head, and it's also really sticky. If I was going to do this again, I would have just sat on that bamboo for like a month, then applied the varnish, and then affixed it to the metal post. But it's really a pain in the ass to apply it once it's up on the wall. But it does look pretty great after the second coat. I should be just about done with the third coat, so I'm going to send it back out to me in front of the bamboo wall now, and let's take a look at it. There you have it. Third coat's on. Turned out great, in my opinion. This was a fun project. Bamboo is a popular material for furniture and construction here in Mexico. It's semi-inexpensive. It's a great renewable resource. It grows really, really, really fast. I read it's the fastest growing plant. And we were able to construct this for about $350. One thing is, I did 3 coats because I know you really have to take care of this, especially when it's out in the elements. At our condo, they used a lot of bamboo, and over the years, it's just fallen completely apart because people in charge didn't take care of it. So right now we're removing it, and we're gonna have to replace it with something else. So I'll make sure I stay on top of this and keep it looking good. I don't know. What should I do next with bamboo? I got to come up with something cool, maybe a tiki bar or something like that. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see you down here. Take care.